Going to do today is you're going to put your pictures from the storyboard over to Adobe Premiere Pro. So now that we have all 6 of them in our folder, we're going to go ahead and go to our Launchpad and open up Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to create a new project, and this new project is going to have your first and your last name. When we create the new project, we're going to give it our title for My Life, and then we're going to make another project later for My Monday. Alright, so we're going to go over to the left side, and we're going to do New Project. Over here at the top where it says project name, you're going to title it My Life Storyboard. And then you're going to put your first and your last name. I don't know what Alexa's last name is, so I'm just using that as an example. Alright. Next, you're going to save it to your desktop. Just save it to your desktop, or you could save it to your documents. So if you want to, save to your documents. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom right, and we're going to create our new project. Alright, so we're going to go first to our first panel where we're going to import our pictures. So we're going to go ahead over here and we're going to double click with our mouse. And we're going to go to our folder that has your 6 My Life pictures on there. So you're going to go ahead and import your folder. Alright, and now your folder has your name, My Life, and it has pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to go ahead and this is going to be over here in the source panel. We're going to select all of our pictures. So you can use your mouse and select all of them, or you can use Command A, and that will go ahead and select all of them. And we're going to drag our pictures. We're going to drag the pictures over here to your timeline. Now, your pictures right now, if you notice, they are out of order. They're in the opposite order. So you'll need to arrange your pictures in the appropriate order. So make sure we have pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have your 6 pictures here. Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to click on New Item. And our new item, we're going to go ahead and add a black video. Click OK. Next, you'll see over here the black video at the very top over here where it says black video. You're going to drag black video to the very beginning. Now, you want to hold down the command button. The command button will go over here, and then you'll go ahead and put black video to the front. So you'll see black video, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and picture 6. Finally, over here to black video, you're going to go ahead and put a text. You're going to do the type tool, and you're going to go over here, and you're going to type in My Life by Alexis. Alright, and you're going to go over to the effects control, go over to where it says My Life, and you're going to change the size. We'll change the size over. You can increase the size, and you can also center align your title on there. So this is what you'll need to have for the class. You'll put your title at the top of the black video, and make sure that you have your 6 pictures on there. When you're finished, go to File. When you're finished, go to File, and you're going to do Save As. Make sure everything shows correctly, My Life Storyboard and Documents, and click Save. You may want to replace, or what you can do is you'll go to File, and you can go ahead and just click Save. And that will save your project from My Life. Please do this in class today. If you need help, I will be here to help you with that.